Remington SP390 replacement screen and blades for Series 5 and 7 foil shavers, silver. Pivot flex technology. Independent flexing foils. Titanium steel screens and cutters. Replacement for F5790, 7790. Replace your blades every 6 months for optimal performance. Maintain your clean, consistent look with this men's titanium screen and cutter replacement. Pivot and flex foil technology allows the neck to pivot freely while the 3 independent flexing foils adjust to the contours of your face, chin and jaw for an ultra-close, ultra-clean shave. Replacement screens and cutters for Remington Foil Shavers F5790, F7790, F7790XLP, F7790CS, F7790, F7790XLP and F7790CS. Note: the SP390 is not for F4900, F5800, F7800. For these models see SPF 300. Top reviews from the United States. Exact replacement. I've had my razor for quite a few years and it still holds a good charge. I somehow put a snag in the screen and it was unusable. This kit made it like brand new with a new screen and sharp blades. If your razor still holds a good charge, I would recommend trying this kit instead of replacing the razor.